try to ease into it so it doesn't spin.
Yeah.
Good morning. What is going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is a beautiful Saturday here, Memorial Day weekend, and I gotta get a haircut. Hair's a little sloppy. Need to get that all chopped off, and I figure might as well take the cow since we got it here. So instead of just going and getting a haircut and coming back, I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I'm gonna give the guy that cuts my hair, his name's Joe, he's a pretty cool dude, I'm gonna give him a ride in the car. Now they've seen the car on the trailer like before I was heading to the shop or heading off to a race that was kind of far away, so I had to trailer it, but I've never driven it there in this sense. Now back when I used to daily drive this, obviously I would drive it there, but on 20s with no stickers or no parachute on the back, it doesn't look as menacing as it does now. So we're gonna head up there and I'm gonna give Joe a ride in the car. I don't know if he's ready for it. I'll put some ice in the back, I'm gonna turn it up, and we're just gonna have some fun. Now, I got some shit from people when we went to that Cars and Coffee and I put ice in the trunk, and they're like, oh dude, that's dumb. Well, the reason why I do is I like to keep my intake air temps as low as possible. Everything on that vehicle is for preservation purposes. So if I keep those intake air temps low, it's not as harsh on the engine, which is obviously a good thing, and you can make more power. So we're gonna head over there today. I don't have the trailer with me. Martin has the trailer this week. I'm on the Radial Pros, and the clouds are not looking too good, so this could get spicy out there today, but I'm excited. I'm running a little bit late because I put that wastegate tube on there and it must have shifted a little bit. It wasn't tight all the way when I raced this past Thursday, so it shifted down, it started rubbing on the frame, so I had to move that, I'd say massage that, get that in the right position. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some ice before I head over there, bring the camera mount, the car mounts, I got the GoPro, I got all the cameras, so it's gonna be fun. Plus I'm getting a haircut, which I need so bad. I'm excited. I mean, I just miss driving the cow on the street. It's on E85, which makes it so awesome on the street. It's just absolutely amazing because you have all this power, it's super cheap, and at any point in time I can turn that little bottle right there and crank her up and make some power. So let me get some shit out of here because I got all my race gear. I pretty much leave everything in the car. My helmet, gloves, neck brace, pants, jacket, shoes, everything's in there, and it's got to look right if I'm bringing a guest in the vehicle. By the way, if you can, you don't want to miss out on this. Cowmaro key tags, they say the Cowmaro on the front side, and drive with your heart, not your eyes. They'll be in the link below. I have more of these coming in. These are absolutely awesome. And I got restocked in Cowmaro shirts, so be sure to check out the 2 links below before we get started here. And I think I'm about ready to hit the road. All right, guys, I think I got everything I need to in the car except myself, so it's been a while, but you guys love to hear this on YouTube, so what about a little cold start, I guess? We'll start fired up, nice, bright and early here in the neighborhood. I'm sure no one will mind. It's too loud, let's get out of here. Neighbor's gonna hate me. I have missed driving this thing so much. It is just absolutely awesome. God. Camera does not do any justice how sweet this thing is to drive around and have fun with on the street. It's like it's in its natural habitat. Alright guys, as I'm driving up here, I got a little data log going on. The crazy thing is the intake air temp is 60 degrees, which is definitely cooler than ambient because the cow says it's 109 out. 109 degrees outside, and no, it's not really that hot, but it's definitely like mid-70s, and there's no ice in that, it's just water, and it's 61 degrees intake air temp. Honestly, can you ask for anything better than that? So hype, so hype. All right, so we're pulling up to the man cave in Lillington. If you're in the area and need a haircut, this is definitely the place to go. Hopefully there's a spot up front. Oh, it looks like there's a possibility. Oh, there definitely is. We're gonna park right here. I'll put the camera down and let's get a haircut. All right, so we're out here at Man Cave Lillington with my man Joe. You guys are always taking care of me. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
And you've seen the car here a couple times. Saw it on the trailer the first time.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take you for a ride in it.
Good deal.
So what's the fastest car you've been in?
Mustang GT.
Oh, God. You think that's fast?
I'm starting to wonder.
Are you a Chevy guy or a Ford guy?
I'm just any guy.
Any guy.
As long as it's running.
As long as it's running. Listen, I like that. So we're going to get him strapped in the car. I'd probably say this is the most extreme thing you've probably seen. All right, well, I'm not going to scare you too bad. We're just going to lay into it. We got to find a straight road and we'll hammer down and have some fun. But if you guys need a haircut, you guys are in the area at Man Cave Willington.
Man Cave.
I'll take care of you. All right, this is the least fun part, is getting in.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's got a couple things going on. But.
Shit just got real. Finna do my thing. Scared as shit, but it'll be alright. You know I'm scared if I can't even put on a damn seatbelt.
And then just give these a little tug, then you're ready to rock.
Alright.
It's all bark, no bite. Is what it is.
So it's not fast as my Saturn, you're saying?
Okay, let's get going here. So the way that it works, it's kind of quick until you open this bottle, and then it goes into like really quick.
Okay, good deal.
So we'll just go ahead and we'll open this right from the start. We'll just open that sucker up.
Woo! Damn! God, Jesus.
That was just a little bit.
Oh my God.
How was that? All right?
Yeah.
That's just getting out of town.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
Something's not happy. I ruined it for you.
No, you kind of saved it for me.
Damn. Hold on, let me pull in here and check and see what's going on.
Oh my God.
Fuck me, dude. Hey, we're good. I got that was only 7.
Lord have mercy.
Oh man.
The things your barber does for you, right? Oh God. I gotta cut hair when I finish this.
You're gonna be like this, cutting your neck as the next guy. Alright, back on the road we go.
Oh my goodness.
So that was just kind of like easing into it. Second gear. Woohoo!
Oh my God. Oh man, I hope I don't get used to this. Oh my God.
How was it?
That was awesome, man. That was awesome. You don't even got to pay for haircuts no more. Let's go to the shop.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Do a pull here while we're rolling. Try to ease into it so it doesn't spin.
Yeah.
I will take it back.
Alright, man. God.
Does it feel fast?
Yes.
Because I feel like I can make a sandwich over here.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
So that was pretty much 1,100 horsepower to the ground.
Woo! I did it. I did it.
You hung in there. You hung in there.
I felt like I was on a roller coaster, but I did it. You've probably been waiting to get in here and scare the shit out of me though, right?
Yeah.
I know.
It was raining every weekend. I was like, man, not too bad.
That's a stress test right there. Man, I'm telling you, when you pulled up, all the shit talking I was doing was like, up. Gotta go. This was definitely an experience. Now I gotta find something to liven you up in the barbershop. Now I gotta get in my slow shit and drive home.
I didn't mean to do that to you. I didn't mean to do that to you.
I almost chickened out.
No, come on now.
I almost chickened out, and then the man in me said, "Oh no, he will never let you live it down." And when you first hit it, I almost chickened out again.
Well, I say from the first one to the second one, there's a little bit of difference in power.
Yeah, oh my
the second
God.
one came alive.
Whew.
Let's pull a U-turn up here.
Yeah.
Illegal U-turn.
Yeah, go for it, man. I'm pretty sure everything we just did was illegal.
yeah. This is not the least of my worries right here. If that's the most illegal thing I do today, I'm doing all right.
Oh my gosh.
Listen, I'm glad we got it back here one piece. Sorry for the little hiccup there.
That's all right.
With the injector, but hey, we're good.
Thank you, Jesus.
We just took Joe for a ride, and it was pretty funny. The car felt good, made a lot of power. A little issue with the injector, but we'll pop in here.
It's you?
You're good now? You're good? You're good? Are you gonna be able? You gonna be able to cut some hair without shaking?
Try, man. Let's try. Hey, what's up, dude?
You brought him back.
Yeah, he was for a second there. It was up in the air, but I appreciate you coming for a ride. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for always taking care of me.
Yes, sir, man.
If you guys need anything, Wellington Man Cave, it's a place to be. See, these guys will take care of you.
Okay.
Next time it's you.
Okay. We'll see.
We'll see you now. All right, so that's always fun, checking in with the boys, getting fresh cuts. So I am going to go home, film another video. First, I'm gonna get some Bojangles. You guys don't want to see any of that. Thank you guys for watching. Got my merch all down in the description below. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.